Welcome to SnapMenuAI. In this guide, we'll walk through the merchant self-service onboarding process. This flow is for merchants who come directly to SnapMenuAI using their own business email address. Let's get started. Start by entering your business email address. Review and accept the terms of service. Then select Continue. A verification code will be sent to your email address. Enter the verification code to verify your account and begin onboarding. Next, search for your restaurant. If your restaurant is listed online or connected to a Google business profile, search for it and select it from the results. Review the restaurant name, address, phone number, and business details. Once the correct location is selected, continue. If your restaurant is not listed online or if you do not have a Google business profile, select Fill Details manually. Enter your restaurant name, address, phone number, and other required business details. Once completed, continue to the next step. Now provide a few details about your business. Select your restaurant type. Choose your cuisine. Enter your contact information. Next, choose the POS system your restaurant currently uses. If you already use a POS system, select it from the available options. If you do not use a POS system, select SnapMenuAI as your ordering system. This helps SnapMenuAI understand where your menu and order information should come from. If payment gateway integration is available and required, you can connect it during onboarding. For this walkthrough, we will skip the payment gateway setup. Now select Voice AI from the available SnapMenuAI services. Continue to the plan selection page. Choose the Voice AI package that fits your restaurant. Review the plan details, monthly subscription, setup fee, taxes, and total amount due. Enter your billing details and complete the payment. Once payment is successful, your Voice AI subscription will be activated. Next, you can add your restaurant menu. If you already have a menu, you can upload it during onboarding. You can upload your menu as a file, image, PDF, or supported menu format. If you want to add the menu later, select Skip for now. During menu sync, your menu categories, items, prices, modifiers, add-ons, and availability are imported into SnapMenuAI. Once the menu sync is completed, Voice AI will automatically assign a dedicated phone number for your restaurant. This number will be used to answer customer calls, take orders, respond to menu questions, and support your restaurant operations. Now your restaurant onboarding is complete. Your restaurant is now connected and ready to use with SnapMenuAI. From here, you can manage your Voice AI settings, customize customer messages, update your menu, manage modifiers, and configure other restaurant operations from the SnapMenuAI dashboard. That's it! Your restaurant is now ready to start using SnapMenuAI Voice AI.